They made preparations, and all was ready for the big event.
JIS Day is where we take all our operations outside of the office. We go into the streets and we highlight our products and our services to the public.
Yes. On the day, staff from the JIS Montego Bay and Kingston offices, along with a host of other government agencies, journeyed to Water Square for the second staging of what's shaping up to be an annual event. Falmouth's mayor was on location to signal the town's seal of approval.
I hope that you will all have a very wonderful day here today. Falmouth is a very warm place and a place that you will enjoy the cool sea breeze. And of course, there are other things that we have to offer here.
While Falmouth natives and visitors went about their business of enjoying the town's offerings, the agencies at JIS Day introduced them to some useful information.
Our main mantra is protecting children, empowering families and securing futures. So we contribute basically to the well-being of our nation's children by doing the necessary interventions, working with the stakeholders for their best interests.
We hope that we can really share the message of the TPD Cup, which is to enhance and keep the standards of tourism within the industry. We hope to give the public of Falmouth a little more knowledge of community tourism, as well as a lot of the training programs that we have to offer.
Children are here and they are enjoying themselves, they are asking and answering questions. They are, of course, accessing the information that is there. We have teachers who are coming over to our booth and asking about our exercise program, our wellness program that we have.
Amidst the information sharing, those who stopped by enjoyed giveaways, rap sessions, and some entertaining performances.
The question going for a big prize is, what is the correct name and title of the Mayor of Falmouth?
His Worship the Mayor, Mr. Colin Gager.
Clapper, clapper.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner!
Clapper.
Taking home the prize for Granville Primary.
I believe in Trelawney. I believe in Jamaica. I believe in the future. I believe in our children. I believe in our heroes. Yes, I believe in our culture.
It's long time, Gabby, never see you. It's long time, Gabby, never see you. Come make me hold your hand. Village and coast, in a tree top, because the rest. Make me hold your hand, yeah. Make me hold your hand. Hold him, Joe. Hold him, Joe. Hold him, Joe, and not let him go. Hold him, Joe. Hold him, Joe. Hold him, Joe, and not let him go. The donkey want water. Hold him, Joe. The donkey want water. Hold him, Joe. The donkey want whiskey. Hold him, Joe. Make me a frisky. Hold him, Joe.
As you can see, JIS Day 2018 was a big success. It was a day filled with lots of fun and useful information.
I hope that JIS has a lot more of these, not only in Falmouth, but in other resort areas, so that we can share our message through you.
Make me